Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a composite product in a WooCommerce website using a free plugin. I'm going to use only a free plugin to create a composite product. Let me show you an example of the composite product that I have created. Here you will see a composite product, and in this composite product, there are three different components. The first one is a vase, the second one is lamp, and the third one is light. In the first component, there are three different products that the customer can select. You will see the description here. Select any one of these vases from the list below, a maximum 5 quantities. So from this component, customer will be able to select multiple products. I have given them option to select multiple products from this particular component. So the first product is selected by default. I can select this one also, and I can also select this one. If I want to increase the quantity, I can increase the quantity. For each product, I can increase the quantity by 3. It will not go beyond 3. And for this entire component, I will be able to increase the quantity by 5 only. It will not go beyond 5. So this is what the condition I have set up. From this component, customer will be able to select 5 quantities from 3 different products. So if I do not want this one, I can simply uncheck it and this will not be added. In the second component, I have 3 different lamps, and again the customer will be able to select multiple products from this component. Let's say I want to select this one, I can select it. I want this one also, I can select this one also. I can increase the quantity for this product or for this product. And the third component is optional. If they want, they can select it, otherwise it will not be added to the cart. So if I want this light, I can simply click on it. This product will also be added automatically. I can also increase the number of quantity for this one also. So the entire composite product is a combination of 3 different components, and I have given 10% discount for this composite product. So if I decrease the quantity here, you will see change in the pricing here, and for the entire composite product there is a 10% discount. This is the actual price for all the products which are selected, and this is the discounted price. So the customer will get 10% discount, and the seller will be able to increase the average order value. They will be able to select multiple products in a single order by making a composite product. So let's see how we can create a composite product in a WooCommerce website using a free plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo of WooCommerce website, and now we are going to install a free WooCommerce Composite Products plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for Composite Products. And you will see the plugin here, WPC Composite Products for WooCommerce. This is the free version of the plugin. So let's click on install now and click on activate plugin. So the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel, you will see the option WP Clever. And if you scroll down, you will see the option Composite Products. Click on it. Now these are the basic settings of this plugin. I don't think we need to go through the basic settings. All the basic settings are already configured properly. If you want to change them, you can change them later. Now we are going to create a composite product. So let's go to products and click on add new product. Let's name it as a gift hamper. We are going to create a gift hamper where customer will be able to select the products. All right, so I'm going to add some description. All right, so whatever description you have, you can add the product description. And here I'm going to add a short description for the product. All right, so this is the short description. Now here you will see product data. If you click on the drop down, you will see the option Smart Composite. Click on it. So this is the option to create a composite product. So the product data should be Smart Composite. Now here you will see the components that we are going to add to the gift hamper to the composite product. So the first composite product, let's go to the website here. This is a demo WooCommerce website. And if I go to all products, you will see some demo products are there. So I'm going to select one of the vases here. So let's name it as vase. Here you will see source. For the source, there is only one option available, that is products. So I'm going to select products. If you want to select any one of these options like brands, product types, product visibility, categories, tags, then you need to go for the premium version of this plugin. In the free version, only the products option is available. So I'm going to select products. If you want to order them by name, ID, type, you can select the order here. I'm going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to select the VAS products. So I'm going to search for VAS. We have 4 different VAS here. So I'm going to select the first one. Let's add one more. We are going to give them an option to select any one of these products from this category. I'll show you how does this work. So I have selected 3 different VAS. Default option. So I'm going to select one of the product as default selected. So let's select this one, ceramic blue. This one is the default product selected automatically. Do you want to make it required? Yes, I want them to select one of these products here. And new price, I'm going to keep it as it is. Quantity, custom quantity, yes, let them select the number of products. Each item's quantity will limit to 1, minimum 1, and maximum can be 3. And the whole components quantity limit will be, let's say, minimum 1 to 3. Let's say 1 to 5. So the customer will be able to add maximum 5 quantities from this component. This is a component, not the entire composite product. This is a component of the composite product. I'll show you how does this actually work on the product page. Below that we have multiple selections. Let them select multiple. So select yes, and the layout will be grid layout. In this component we have 3 different products. So I'm going to select grid 3 columns. Let's add a description here. So they can add up to 5 different products from this component. Let's click on save components, and let's add another component. This will be, let's say, lamp. Let's name it as lamp, and select source will be products. Search for the product lamp. We have 3 different lamps here, so I'm going to add all of them. And default will be, let's say, the golden lamp. So this will be the default one, which will be already selected. Do you want to make it required? Let's make it required. And quantity will be custom. They will be able to select the quantity. Minimum will be 1, maximum will be 3. And the whole components quantity, minimum 1 and maximum 5. So from this component, they will be able to select maximum 5 quantities. Multiple selection, let's say yes, and layout will be grid 3 column. All right, now let's save this component also, and let's add another component. Let's name it as light. This is another product that we have here, light. Select the source will be product. Search for the product light. We have only one light, so I'm going to keep it as it is. Let's not add the default option here. Do you want to make this one as required? Let's not make it required. Quantity 1, select quantity, custom quantity 0 to 3, and for the whole component it will be 0 to 3. Right, there is no need to make it multiple. And the selector interface, and the interface for this product will be, let's say, list. All right, now we have got 3 different components here. Below that we have the pricing structure. If you want to set a fixed price for the entire composite product, then you can select only base price, and you can add a base price here. You will see general option here. You can add a base price for the entire composite product. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is. Let's go to components, and for the pricing, I'm going to select include the base price. If you set up a base price, it is going to take a base price, as well as it is going to calculate the price of all the products individually. So that is what I think should be selected, include base price. And discount, we are going to offer 10% discount for this gift hamper, and minimum quantity will be, let's say, 3, and maximum will be, let's say, 12. Because we have set 5 maximum for this component, 5 maximum for this component, and 3 maximum for this component. So let's make it 13 in total. So minimum will be 3 and maximum will be 13. Total limits, configure total limits for the current composite. I'm going to keep it as it is. Same products, allow or do not allow the buyer to choose the same products in the components. Keep it on allow. Shipping fee apply to both composite and component. Custom display price, leave it as it is. Above text and under text. If you want to add above and under text, you can add that here. Alright, so I'm going to keep it as it is, and if you want to add a product image, let's go to product image and select one of the images here. That will be the composite product image. So I'm going to select this one. This is a demo image. So let's select this one. You can also select the category for this one. I'm going to keep it as it is, and let's publish it and let's see how does this look. Right, let's open the product. So this is how the product will look. You will see this is a gift hamper. This is a short description. The first component is a vase, and this is the description for this component. Select any one of these vases from the list below, maximum 5 quantities. And you will see the default one is selected here. The pricing of this one is already added, 33.50, and there will be 10% discount. Now, if I want to increase the number of vases from here, I can increase the number of vases. Maximum will be 3 for this one. Okay, so I'm going to set to 1. Now, I want to add this one also, so I'm going to select this one. So this vase will be added. I can add up to 3 from this particular product. And let's add this one also. And let's make this one 2. Now, as soon as I change the number of quantity, you will see the change in the pricing also. So it is going to calculate the price of all the components in the composite product. So this is the first component, vase, and for that we have 3 different products. You will see the first component here, vase, and we have 3 products here. Minimum they can select 1 and maximum they can select 3. For the entire component they can select up to 5. So here you will see 1 plus 1 plus 2, 4. So I can make it 5. If I try to increase this one, you will see an error message here. You can only choose at a max or total quantity of 5 products for the component vase. So I'm going to make it 5, maximum 5. Now for the second component, you will see that the default lamp is already selected. If I want to select this lamp, I can select this one, and let's select this one also and increase the number. So for this component also I can add maximum 5 quantities. Below that you will see this one is not required. So this is not a mandatory product to add in a component. So I can uncheck this, or I can check this to add in the component. If I uncheck it, it will not be added to the composite product. If I want to add, I can simply check this option and it will be added to the entire component product. And I can also increase the quantity from here. Maximum will be 3. So for this composite product, there are 3 different components: vase, lamp, and light. And I have given option to the customer to select different products from each component. They can also increase the quantity for each component. Once all the products are selected, I can click on add to cart. And let's go to view cart. And you will see all the products are there in the cart from the composite product. So this is the name of the product, a gift hamper, and you will see all the products under this composite product. And you will also see the quantity that we have selected: 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. So in total there are 11 products. If I want to repeat the entire hamper, I can simply increase the quantity for this particular hamper. Let's make it 2, and it will double the number of products. Once done, you can proceed to checkout and make a payment for this composite product. So using a free plugin, you can create composite products in a WooCommerce website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.